2015 BMW X5. With less than 1,000 miles on the odometer, this SUV offers space as well as power and performance. You'll enjoy first-class features that create a premium environment, such as side view mirrors with turn signals, navigation, turbocharged engine, multi-zone air conditioning, all-wheel drive, parking aid sensor, diesel fuel, heated side view mirrors, panoramic roof, moonroof, dual panel moonroof, wood grain trim, passenger seat adjustable lumbar support, memory seat, tinted windows. Get pre-approved now and make this your next vehicle.